I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Shopify and Printify tutorial for beginners. With Shopify and Printify, you'll be able to create print on demand products that you can start selling and making some money online. To get started, you're going to sign up to Shopify, which you can do for completely free. After you're signed up, you're going to tap on Apps from the left-hand menu option. And from there, you're going to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. After doing that, I want you to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. Once on the App Store page, you're going to tap on Printify right here, or you can search for it in the search bar right here. Now we're going to tap on Printify and you're going to install the app. So you're going to tap on Install. After selecting Install, you're going to tap on Install once more. After doing that, you will now be redirected to the Printify dashboard. Once on the Printify dashboard, you're going to sign up. So you can either sign up using your Google account or you could enter an email address and create a password right there. For this example, I'm going to be signing up using my Google account. Once you're signed up, all you'll need to do now, what I want you to do is tap on Open Full Site in the top right hand corner right here. After doing that and you're on this page, all you'll need to do now, you could go over and you could tap on Catalog. After tapping on Catalog, from there you want to ensure that right where you see Simple Fitness on my screen, you want to ensure that your Shopify store is connected. So for example, I'm going to connect my Shopify store right there. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you can select Catalog from the left-hand menu option. Then you can select the type of product that you would like to add your design to. Keep in mind with Printify, all you'll need to do is upload your design, and then from there, once someone chooses an item, they will deal with the shipping and customer service and all of that. So let's say we would like to add our design to sweatshirts. So we are going to select sweatshirts right there. Then from here, you can scroll down. You can see the different target markets that you can choose from, whether it is USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, or the United Kingdom. You can select whichever one of these options right here. So let's say, for example, we were to select the best seller. After selecting the bestseller, all I want you to do is tap on Start Designing in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you can either choose to upload a design. So for example, you could go onto a platform like Canva, and Canva is a designing platform that you can sign up on for completely free. So you could go onto Canva and you could type in t-shirt logo, and you would be redirected to a template page just like this. And from here, you could select whichever one of these templates to your liking, and you'll be able to create your own design. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is tap on it. Then from there, you can scroll down. You could see similar templates that you could use. So I'm going to be using this one. Then tap on Customize this template. From there, you could change the background color, you could change the text, or so on if you want. After doing that, you're going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then tap on Download, and you're going to tap on Download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you would go over back to Printify, and you're going to tap on Upload, then select My Device. Then from there, you're going to select the design that you have created. You will tap on Open. Then from there, you can adjust the size of the design. So you can see the design right here. You could simply pull right there to adjust the size. Then tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save Product, from here you can select the mockup that you would like to use, or you can unselect the mockups that you don't want to use. So you can see the different options right here. Then you're going to tap on Publish in the bottom. After you have selected Publish, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see it is publishing. You can also create more designs if you want. So you could select catalog once more and you could select more designs right there. Now, after doing that, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Store Settings. After selecting Store Settings, from here you can edit a few options. So for example, you could tap on Ship From Address and you can see it will be using the Printify default US address. If it is a case that you wanted them to use the JB address better yet, so if Great Britain is your target audience, you could select that, or you could select the DE address right there. You can also tap on order settings and you could edit the order settings. You can also tap on shipping profiles right here. And from here, you can create different shipping profiles as you can see right there. You can also tap on the shipping calculator. And from here, you will be able to edit, for example, if you are shipping for non-profit or non-printify products better yet, you can select it right there. You could also tap on branding, and from here, normally after someone makes a purchase, they would receive a thank you card. You could edit your thank you card if you want by selecting it right there. You could also tap on wallet, select payments, and then from here you will be able to set up the different payment options. So you can see PayPal right there. You can connect your PayPal or you can connect your Payoneer card right there. Now, after doing all of this, all you'll need to do now, you can go back into Shopify. Then if we were to close this and go over to the top left hand corner and tap on products, you will see that our design has been added. So we can tap on preview online store and you can see it right there. So you can see it right there by scrolling down. You can see the different mockups. So you can see them right there. So persons will now be able to go onto our Shopify store and make a purchase. Then once they have made the purchase, Printify will deal with the shipping and all of that. And all you'll need to do is simply drive traffic to your Shopify store and then they will deal with the rest. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Again, remember that you can add more products if you want from Printify. So we could go back here again and you could tap on catalog and you could add more products. Or if you would like to upload your logo or so on, you could tap on branding. And then from there, you can see numerous options. So you could add your brand as a tag right here. So you can select see pricing table and you could pay a small fee and from there you could add your brand right here. So you could do that also if you want. And you will also be able to view your analytics by going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on insights and from there you'll be able to view your analytics. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and you can tap on orders and you'll be able to see your orders also.